Hi everyone. Let's look at the story for this week. You have your story, Sam is up fast. Okay. Let's start by looking at the pictures. What do you see? Picture number 1. I see a bed. I see a man, Sam. Does Sam look happy? I don't think so. He looks worried. Look at picture number 2. Sam, this is a sink, some water, look at picture number 3. Sam is getting dressed. He puts on his shirt. Picture 4. He puts on his shoes. Look at picture number 5. He puts on his jacket and his hat. It's a clock. It is 8:30. What do you see here? It's a taxi. This is Gus in his taxi. Number 8. Here is Sam in his taxi. Let's read. I read, you listen. Sam is up fast. He has to wash. He has to put on his pants and shirt. He has to put on his socks and shoes. He has to put on his jacket and hat. It is 8:30 a.m. Gus is in the taxi. Sam is in the taxi. Gus and Sam go fast. Is Sam late to work today? Now you read with me. I read, you repeat. Okay. Sam is up fast. He has to wash. He has to put on his pants and shirt. He has to put on his socks and shoes. He has to put on his jacket and hat. It is 8:30 a.m. Gus is in the taxi. Sam is in the taxi. Gus and Sam go fast. Is Sam late to work today? Good. Good. Okay. Let's look at the next page in your packet. Scroll up here a bit. You see pictures and some sentences. Okay? It says match the sentences with the pictures. Write the sentences in the blanks. Okay, the blanks are the empty space. So, Sam has to wash. He has to put on his shoes. Gus and Sam go fast. He has to put on his shirt. He has to put on his pants. Let's look at the pictures. Do you see here? Shoes, shoes. So what sentence goes with shoes? He has to put on his shoes. Now, you write with your pencil, he has to put on his shoes. Look at the next picture. It is a sink. Looks like washing hands. Wash. What sentence goes with this picture? Sam has to wash. Now, with your pencil, number 2, you write, Sam has to wash. Look at this picture. This is a shirt. A shirt. So, we want a sentence about a shirt. He has to put on his shirt. Number 3. You write with your pencil, he has to put on his shirt. Then finish the pages. When you have finished writing your sentences, you take a picture with your phone, WhatsApp. Take a picture, text it to me. Okay? Okay. Good. Now, the next page, you write the letters SH in the space. Okay? Then read the words out loud. SH. What does SH say? Shh. Right? Shh. SH. So, number 1, you write SH and read the word shirt. Good. Finish the page, then take a picture and text it to me. Okay, I'll see you Wednesday. Bye.